tonight we're going to show you how to burble tune. We're running a Haltech Elite 1500.
It's a Turbo S2k.
Turbo S2000. Actually, before we burble tune, we got to go chase this car. God, we got to run this light.
I'm not running the light. We'll go the wrong way.
Supercharged. It's supercharged. She's supercharged, all right. Back to the Burble tune now, okay. That was sick, dude. Yeah. You knew you heard a compressor.
Oh yeah, I heard it through I heard something through the exhaust and I was like, that's not normal for an S2000.
Yep, exactly. Alright boys, well sometimes when you're about to burble tune you run into a supercharged AP2 S2000 and well, you just gotta you just have to race. I mean, that's what you have to do.
I mean, sometimes you just live your life a quarter mile at a time.
That's pretty much what we just did right there. That was back to the tuning now. Maybe we'll run into some more. Maybe I'd like to get a Mustang in on the kill list.
I'd be good.
Maybe a Camaro.
Camaro would be good.
Corvette.
Might have to turn the boost up for that.
Dude, the way you pulled him, like, it was pretty effortless.
Yeah, I mean, as soon as he hit a little before me.
Yeah.
Because I thought we might slow down and do a little honking, but
yeah,
he just wanted to go.
He was just like full send,
yeah,
which is lovely.
That's fine. That. Yeah, he was ready.
Oh, he was ready.
As soon as we turned that corner, he was like holding me in second gear, and I was like, oh yeah, here we go.
He said, "That's what's up. That's what's up." All right, so we're gonna go into the base ignition table here, and let's see. How much vacuum does your car pull on D-cell?
Like negative 0.8.
Where do you want the burbles to start happening? What RPM?
What do you do?
Usually up to like 4,500 to like 2,500 in that range because you're going to be decelling so much.
Maybe down to 2,000, 4,500, 2,000.
Okay.
Like I said, we're trying to get it rowdy.
Right now, so it's idling and right around 60. Load.
Yeah, I think I get to the negative 80.
Okay, so probably the 80 row.
Yeah.
Right now we have, so right now in the 80 row and the 100 row, we have 40 degrees of ignition timing. I'm gonna take that all the way down to 10 degrees. So guys, truly, like, I don't recommend going like
negatives.
That's just too much.
Yeah,
like,
you start to cause problems.
Yeah, so little goes a long way on this. I mean, like Corey just said, we did take out a shit ton of timing. But let's bring these rows down just a little bit.
I agree.
So like your park throttle, decel, yeah, like not quite as much. Timing out. More timing. That's what it's looking like. Every car is different. Let's take it down to 8 degrees. Well, it should be. Let's just drive around a little bit. We'll see. And you know, sometimes it takes a little trial and error. Yeah, there she is. All right, so here's what we had to do, okay? And every ECU is going to be a little different. We pulled the timing out. It wasn't popping. So
we looked at the AFR. We noticed it was a little rich on D-cell.
The interesting thing is, and you know, this goes against what you would think. You actually need to pull fuel out for it to ignite. If it's too rich, it won't actually do it. So then, as you can see, pulled a shit ton of fuel out there. Just listen to her popping. Now she's just popping everywhere. Woo! Oh yeah. That's lovely. We're gonna have to get some outside shots of that. Woo! Oh!
The Miata and the S13 out here. We're gonna do some flybys.
Some little pops and bangs, like,
yeah,
people love that shit.
Yeah,
you know?
we spent some time a week ago or so getting the tune on the S13 to make it pop and bang a little bit. So we decided to come out and get some more footage of.
She pops amazingly well.
I know.
Like, we sent it a little harder than I was anticipating. Like, we kept taking timing out, but we weren't messing with fuel yet. It wasn't popping, so I just kept taking timing out. Then we realized it was running a little too rich, which you'd think would be good for pops, but it's not. It actually wants less, so that it's hotter in the exhaust and ignites. Once we took the fuel out, bro, she was popping like crazy.
I know.
Like that, she lives for flames. She lives for popping.
All right.
It still rolls up random S2000s.
Which you also see.
I mean, it rolls them up easily. I mean, and who knows what that guy was making, but he hit it, and then we just like left him on low boost. Like, this thing's a beast.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it.
It's so fucking loud, dude. Goodness gracious. Listen to this compressor just singing. Yes! She pops the flame.
Did it?
Oh yeah.
I know, it's like, that's why I was having to hit the brakes to get, because it's like it does it right at a certain RPM.
Because the way we set it up, it starts at like 4,700.
So as soon as it drops timing, it probably is.
It's possible that if we, and this is for anyone that is Burble tuning, we have it set to pop around 4,500 to 2,500.
We can raise or
we can raise that up, probably at higher RPM, right when you let off the gas, it'll be dumping fuel. That's when it'll probably pop a bigger flame. We don't have the laptop with us out here right now.
Next time. But that's probably a good plan.
I think so.